all government spending is taxation. So whether it's direct taxation or all government spending, it either becomes inflation or it's direct taxation. Your money is being wasted, and the Department of Government Efficiency is going to fix that.
As Donald Trump prepares for his second term as president, US national debt has reached a record high of $36 trillion, with a $2 trillion increase this year alone. Debt servicing costs are consuming a significant portion of the US budget. This mounting debt represents a major hurdle to Trump's ambitious policy goals. Every American now shoulders a debt burden of $108,000, and it is growing by the hour. Trump created the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, led by Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy to cut spending and boost efficiency. Tesla CEO Elon Musk fears that the US national debt is spiraling out of control and has warned that the nation is headed for bankruptcy super fast. America is currently headed for bankruptcy super fast, Elon Musk wrote on X. He was responding to a post on the Doge X handle that noted that the US government spent $6.16 trillion while only bringing in $4.47 trillion in 2023. This trend must be reversed and we must balance the budget, the Doge account added. In a separate post responding to the national debt figures, Musk called the situation terrifying. Musk also claimed that many people are unaware of the problem. A significant percent of people don't even know that there is such a thing as national debt, Musk declared in a post on X. Those that too often don't know how big it is or that our interest payments now exceed what we spend on our military. Only a small percent understand that government overspending causes inflation, he added. Musk's plan to solve America's rising debt. Musk and Ramaswamy are already identifying areas for cuts, with Musk floating a potential $2 trillion reduction, a staggering 30% of federal spending. The road ahead is fraught with challenges with heavily regulated industries. These could raise concerns over potential conflicts of interest. The situation is grim as US debt now stands at 125% of the country's GDP. The debt to GDP ratio could reach 200% in the coming years, say some experts. This could mean that the national debt could be twice the size of the entire US economy. As debt continues to climb, the US government is spending over $1 billion daily just to service the interest on this colossal debt. This year's debt servicing costs are projected to exceed $1 trillion. The number surpasses spending on even national security. The cost is also spiraling due to rising interest rates, making borrowing expensive for American households. With the clock ticking, Trump admin faces the daunting task of balancing fiscal discipline with political realities. The stakes couldn't be higher, and how this crisis is handled will define America's economic future and Trump's legacy.